Hi, this is an overview of the Introduction to Biology course, the 8th grade science course at Friends Seminary. My name is Hassan Wilson. I teach the 8th grade biology course. I also chair the science department. I can be reached at hwilson@friendsseminary.org. So I'm going to give you an overview of the course, and I thought I'd start with a brief trailer.
Unit on the scene. Understood. Yes, they are. Copy. Head four, over and out. Okay, SCR. Taking. We're on our way.
So you can see from that trailer, there are 4 units in the course. We start off the year investigating the nature of science, and this is where students are introduced to statistical analysis, experimental design, errors in experimental design. And then we transition to the genetics unit. We start off learning about how traits are inherited. And then we look at DNA as a molecule and how it works inside of cells. We also have a biotechnology mini unit, which they learn forensics and DNA analysis and other experiments in biotechnology. Then we move on to evolution and tackle the question of why there's so much biodiversity on this planet. We look at natural selection as the underlying mechanism for evolution. And then we transition to the human body, and we focus on digestion, circulation, and respiration, and the unit culminates in a pig dissection. So I'll tell you a little bit about the organization of this course. And the content is organized in what I call mastery learning cycles. Mastery learning is a model of flipped learning. And flipped learning is basically where direct instruction or lecture is offloaded into videos, instructional videos. The thought behind this is that instead of lecturing students in class, this content can be shortly and succinctly explained in videos. And students can view videos at any time. It's on demand. They can watch it anywhere. They can watch it for homework, for example. Class time can be rededicated or refocused to more engaging endeavors. And so the content is organized into learning cycles. The model I use for my learning cycles is the explore, flip, apply model. In the exploration phase, students meet a concept with a hands-on exploration, a hands-on opportunity, a lab, something to build a mental construct of the concept. And then they are tasked with some kind of problem to solve or question to answer. However, at this point, they don't quite have enough background information to tackle this problem. This is where the flip video comes. So in the instructional video, they learn some more facts, some background knowledge, and then they're asked to apply that knowledge after watching the video. And in the application phase, they can finally solve the problem that they were presented with in the exploration phase. So I believe this model allows for deeper exploration and application because class time is no longer used for low-level lecture. This time allows for individual attention, so I get to speak to every student, check in with every student every day. What I really like about this model is that it's asynchronous and allows for mastery learning. And so you can imagine that students learn at different paces. So a student watching a video, for example, may need to rewind the video, or they may need to pause the video. And some students might not need the video at all. So students are able to progress at their speed. And this allows for mastery. So at the end of each topic, there is a quiz that they have to take, and they can retake the quiz as often as they need to in order to demonstrate mastery. And each time they take the quiz, there are different questions. And so this allows for an authentic mastery experience. Some highlights in the course is that my role has changed. So no longer am I the sage on the stage at the front of the room using up dominating class time. And I move on to a model of a guide on the side. So I'm helping each student every day, and I'm no longer dominating time. The freed up time allows for more design of experiments, more case studies, more problem-based learning. Students learn sophisticated statistical analyses. And the course, like every other middle school course at our school, culminates with Science Night, which every student presents original research and an original experiment. So if you have further questions, I can be reached at hwilson@friendsseminary.org. The course website is www.wilsonsbiologylab. And the flip videos are on the YouTube channel, Wilson's Biology Lab. Thank you.